Good morning, students. Welcome to the art class. Are you ready for today's session? I've got something very interesting and exciting for you. We are going to make the mask of an animal from Sikkim, which is a yak. So you all have seen a yak? He looks so cute. He looks more like a cow or a buffalo, right? And he's got a lot of hair on his body, right? So before we begin the mask, children, I first want you to understand how the face of a yak actually looks like. Because first, once you know how to draw the face, it will become very easy for you to make the mask. Now, to make his face, since we wear the mask on the face, we are going to first draw this shape. It's a pointed oval shape. Alright? Now, after doing this, we are going to make 2 ears on the sides like a cow has. Okay? Then we are going to make 2 horns with 2 curved lines. Can you see how I've made these curves like S? Yes, they are like a bull's horns. Fine, double them. Done. Now, to make the hair, do like this. All right. Next, what do you have to do? Now, his face is not clean like this. He has hair. What are you going to do? You're going to extend it like this. All right, children? Done. Now, once done, what am I going to do? I'm going to remove this line. So don't draw too dark. Done. Now, once done, we are going to make his eyes and his nose. First, let's make his eyes. Now, eyes are going to be downwards. So, you can make 2 lines going downwards like this. Or you can say you can make a V. And then make the leaf shape. Eyeballs. I think the yak is looking angry right now. And then a triangle for his nose and the mouth. Now see what we are going to do. In this triangle only, we will make the nose and the mouth also. So another triangle, pointed one, that's the nose. Okay? And from the nose, first draw one standing line. And make a curve. And now I think my yak is looking happy. But at the same time, he's saying, see, I'm an animal from Sikkim and I take pride in that. So you all must take pride in the place from where you belong to, right? You should be proud of your background. So our animal yak is ready. Now let's make the mask. Children, now to make the mask, take your black sheet, all right, and keep it horizontally like this and fold it. All right, make a crease properly. Now once you are done, make sure the side that opens, जहाँ से paper खुल रहा है, the side that opens should be on your right hand and the folded part has to be on your left side. All right, is it like this? Because if it's not like this, then your entire mask will fall off into 2 pieces. So make sure the side that opens is on your right hand. And now we are going to make the shape of his face. You all remember it was a pointed oval. So what we are going to do, I think, children, I've taken my white color because I think my pencil will not show. So what am I doing? I'm not going to make any line over there. What I will do, I will make a curve or a C shape like this. Okay? And make the zigzag also. And take the point down like this. I made a C shape and the zigzag. Fine. Now with your baby scissors, or you can also take help of your elders, you are going to very neatly cut out this mask. Little children will not use such big scissors. I'm telling you again. I have told you before also, little children will not use big scissors. You can take baby scissors, or please take help of people at home. Elders. This is ready, children. Now what do I want? I want this hair and the two horns. Now for this hair, I will take my brown paper and I'm going to reuse this brown paper. Since we all know paper comes from the tree, we don't want to waste any paper, because then we are cutting more trees, and trees are giving us oxygen. Trees are making the air fresh for us, pure for us. So, children, you can take your brown paper. If you don't have any old brown paper piece, then you take a new brown sheet. But make sure that when you take that brown sheet, suppose this is my brown sheet, I'm using it wisely from the corners and not cutting somewhere in the center. Now, taking this brown sheet, I'm going to fold this brown sheet also into two parts, like I had folded my black sheet. Now, fold your black sheet again and keep this brown sheet like this. So this, I can see that this size is perfect. Now what am I going to do? I'm going to draw half of this. Now how does this half look? You all can see it looks like this. Like you can say it looks like a strawberry, and these are the leaves on top. So again, make sure that the side which is open is on the right. Make a curve and then just do this zigzag. Done? Now once done, very neatly with somebody's help, or maybe with baby scissors, you can cut it out. See, like this. And please throw away all the paper scraps in the dustbin. Don't dirty your house or your room. So this is ready with me. And now what I can do, children, this is ready. Now I'll just fix this up later because I'm reusing. I want the horns first. I need to put these horns first. Now what am I going to do? For the horns, you can take gray paper or any light colored paper, fold it like this again. The side which is open should be on your right hand, and I'm going to draw two horns. Now actually for this it can be on either hand. It's alright. What am I going to do? Again, let me not waste the entire sheet, so let me use the corner. Let me make an S shape. If you find, since this S is a mirror image, you find it difficult, you keep the sheet like this and draw the S the way you make it. Okay, draw an S and double it. Double, double. S, double. Now, very neatly, cut this out. Okay. Now my horns are also ready. Now you have the face ready. You have the hair ready. And you also have the horns ready with you. Fine. Now what is missing is the ear. Children, what I'll do, I'll take a pink paper. See, again I'm reusing paper. Again, fold it into half, and the shape of the ear is like an oval. So basically what am I going to do? I'll draw an oval shape. Not very small, children, a little big, and then cut it out. Now since you folded your sheet and that's when you are cutting it out, so you will get 2 ears of the same size. Ears are also ready with me. Now what am I supposed to do? I have to make the nose. Now for the nose, again with my pink paper only, I'm going to draw the triangle shape. Now this time no need to double it because we just need one part, just one nose. So just make this triangular shape, and then using your scissors very neatly we are going to cut it out. Okay, so my nose is also ready. Now children, eyes are left. So for the eyes, I'm reusing this sheet. Let me see how big I want. I don't want really big eyes which are going outside his face. So I think if I draw a leaf shape which is this much in size, I think it should be good. Okay. Now since I want 2 eyes, I'll double my sheet, and when I'll cut, I will get 2 eyes. Cut it very neatly. Take help. In case you can work with your craft scissors, then you may. And eyes are ready. Fine. Now everything is ready. We just need to stick everything together. Let's begin gluing everything. First, let me take the hair. Now this is the back side since there's a white line. You may also have the white line on both the sides and make it look like a design. But right now I'm using this as my back side. So this is the first ear. Make sure there are no lines and all. They should not show on your main front side. Stick these 2 ears. Alright. Now here are my big horns. Now I'm going to stick these horns, but I can see there are lines on this paper which are coming on the front side. So I'm going to turn it, erase it, and stick it like this. Now I'll just tell you how to do the erasing. Wait. Now over here also stick this. Done. Now let's see the front. Here we are. Good. Now let's place this hair. Put some glue stick on top. You can decorate them further if you want. Add more layers to it. Stick it well. Alright. Now my eyes. So, here are the eyes. It's time to put them. Put glue or your glue stick, whatever you are using. Place them diagonally. Done. Now you will say, ma'am, eyeballs are left. Please wait. Now the triangle nose. Put it here. Fine. Done. Now what am I going to do? You can also do this with a black paper, but I am using a permanent marker right now. Now what am I going to do? First of all, Children, it's better that you first make it with a pencil. We are drawing these semicircles. Like I told you, we can also do it with our black paper. Fill in the black color. And I've left a little highlight. And then coming to the nose, this can be done with a black or a brown, whatever you prefer. And then I want to use a bit of red. And my YAK from Sikkim is ready. I hope you all enjoyed making.